How to fix Google Chrome paused on restart problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the issue where Google Chrome keeps saying that your account is paused every time you restart your browser. So it's quick and easy fix. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here start by opening the Google Chrome, and now here once inside the Google Chrome just click on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen, and now here from the drop down menu simply click on settings, and now here once inside the settings just look at the left hand sidebar and simply click on privacy and security, and now here simply scroll down and click on site settings, and now here once you are inside the site settings simply scroll all the way down and click on the option labeled as additional content settings, and now here once you click on it a drop down menu will appear. From there scroll down again and click on the option labeled as on device site data, and now here make sure that the settings to allow sites to save data on your device is turned on, and now under that settings, click add next to sites that can always use on-device data and simply type in accounts.google.com and then click add. And this tells Chrome to always remember your login session with Google fixing the pause problem. And that's it. That's how you can fix the Google Chrome paused on restart problem. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.